how to turn on mute notifications on your phone. And this is for the Galaxy Watch 6 when it's connected to a phone that has the Galaxy Wearable app. And let's get started. Starting from the clock face view mode here, you'll swipe down from the very top to get access to the settings panel here, or quick panel access. You'll tap on settings here. That'll take you to the main settings of your Watch 6 and go ahead and go to where it says notifications. As you enter into the notifications section here, you'll want to go down to where it says mute notifications on phone. So the way this works is while your watch is connected to your phone itself and you receive a notification on your phone and watch, it's going to be on mute on your phone, but you'll get that notification on your watch itself. So if you've been looking for this feature here, that's where you would go to turn this on, like and sub, and of course turn it off if you don't like it.